Welcome to this Make the Lakes tutorial. Let's learn Satin Stitch. Satin Stitch is a colouring in stitch. We bring the needle from back to front, just on the outside of the edge of one side of the shape. Then let the thread trail across and then push it back down through the fabric, just outside the edge of the other side of the shape. Take time when placing your needle so it sits just on the outside of the shape and as close to the last stitch as possible. Keeping the lines of thread going across the shape as close together as possible will achieve a neater finish. Keep colouring in the shape from one side to the other. You'll notice that on the reverse it looks pretty much the same as you let the threads trail across the back of the shape as well. If you find the thread becomes a little twisted, just let the needle drop and unwind itself. Then continue from where you left off. The stitches get very small at the top of this shape. I'm going to add some detail to this shape now. To do so, I need to move my thread to the bottom of the shape, so I'm going to pass the needle through the back, only through the back though. Then we can create some more satin stitches in the opposite direction to create the tree trunk for this shape. Notice how I took the needle under the bottom of the first satin stitches there. This is to give it a more realistic feel. To end the thread, we simply tuck the needle through a few of the stitches on the back and pull it through.